Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a helicopter. We split our video into 3 parts: basic sketching, outline and coloring. You can skip to the part which you like to see. Let's start. Draw a triangle with smooth corners. Now, we completed drawing helicopter's body. Draw cockpit and window on the helicopter. Let's draw the tail. Draw propeller blades on the tail. You can draw 3 blades too. Draw propeller blades on the top. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. Let's keep drawing. We post a video daily. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.